Now that we've disassembled the wet end of the pump, we can get into the disassembly of the hydraulic motor. The first thing we'll do is remove the port adapter. Notice the back of the motor is marked press and tank. Press is for pressure, that's your inlet line coming in. Tank is your outlet, that's what goes back to your tank on your hydraulic system. On that port adapter, that's also marked tank. There's a check valve inside that you should be able to hear rattle. This basically keeps flow from going back into the motor. If you can't hear that rattle, take the snap ring out, take the poppet out and look for any sort of obstruction, clean it and reassemble it. If the hydraulic lines are hooked up backwards, it can cause damage to the motor seal. Let's take a look inside.